Yeah. We're recording. It's Agape Records. We here, man. Woo! Go cop that Love and War. Make sure you cop that Christ Radio. Yo, drop bombs, Fender Raw, doing it exclusively for AgapeRecords.com. MCs ain't stopping this. I spit the prophecies all in your metropolis. Get on, yo, this is how we doing it, the freestyle flow. I rep Christ, you ain't know that he can freestyle though. I'm on the move, this is why I'm speaking to your deacons and nuns. Touch them, now they speaking in tongues. Yeah, dog, recently I've been trying to talk to your doctors and nurses while I'm dropping the hottest of verses and tell them about Jesus Christ, the one who can heal everybody tonight. Listen to me, yeah, I told y'all one of the areas I represent for Jesus Christ. I'm in various areas to battle with the terrorists and evidence. Slaves built America, so I got American skin. Hey yo, I mixed it up, hip hop with the American blend. Hey yo, represent Agape, the charity friend. And yeah, love and charity friend. Yeah, Agape Records, let me say it again. Hey yo, told y'all before, soldiers of war. For MCs that's talking, they go on before. I just go for the Lord, but it's door to door. I go from door to door with the sword of the Lord in Satan's camp, breaking them down in the basin, taking all of the kids that they stole and the souls from the holes in the basement. Spit the flows when the day did. Your flows is just breaks it. My flows is trapping the codes in the matrix. Boss on man, speaking the light. It ain't all about me though. It's about Jesus the Christ. You see him alright? Okay, I hope you seeing it clearly. I represent it. About Jesus, I hope you see and you hear me. Dawn falls, represented, it's all doors. If it's all walls, represent Christ, it's all God. Jesus, whose grill is brighter than Paul Walls. I represent Christ, who's coming to crash down all malls and all y'all. Yeah, dog, in all stores, all buildings, all tours, all shores. Sand, land, and seas, it's land and sea. It's not a fantasy, every man will see. What's coming back to the rapture? I'm talking about the second coming. Now let's get back to the rapture, the flows that I rap at you. Christ, who's coming back? Yeah, dog, I told y'all, run it back. It's your boy, man, just kicking a little freestyle promo. Y'all know what it is. AgapeRecords.com, man, we here now. Y'all know what it is. Praise the Lord.